día espectacular.
Alright, today, March 30th, we're actually here at the Wallace residence. We're actually installing UHC. They've been living without AC for about 4 months, but thanks to our special financing, we were able to get them approved with a low monthly payment, and we're even having our installers install the new system today.
Man, great company. Financing was great. They came in real quick. They were here within an hour of my phone call. Right now they're doing an install. They've been here only for 2 hours and they're almost done. So I would say thank you, Miami Ice, for the great service.